Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a get ready with me, and I decided for fun I'm going to tint my eyebrows. I've done this before. Godfrey sent me this and I was so excited because I'm like, they reached out to me and then I'm like, you guys, I've tried your stuff. So they sent me a couple things and I thought for starters I'll share the instant eyebrow tint with you. I got light brown. They have a variety of different lash tint, lash growth serum, eyelash curl, what else? Oh, and like men's products for like beard tint and stuff like that. So yeah, my eyebrows are definitely, they have gray sprinkled in them. So I'm going to do this for you. It only takes like 2 minutes. So it's pretty, oh my gosh, it's so simple. So you get this card and it's called your workstation and it's marked where you put the solution, the number 1 solution, the number 2 solution, and you basically just want a clean face. Don't wax or pluck your eyebrows before doing this, do that after because then you'll have irritated skin. So you want to put the number 1 in the number 1 spot. Okay, squeeze entire contents of solution number 1 and number 2 onto marked circles. Do not mix product together. It's best to tint one eyebrow at a time. Apply solution number 1 liberally onto the brow. Let stand 1 minute and blot dry excess color with a dry tissue. Then apply solution number 2 on the brows. Okay, so we're going to do one brow at a time. I have put and everything keeps falling where I don't want it to fall. Okay, I've put number 1 on the number 1 spot and number 2 on the number 2 spot. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the stick, or I can take a Q-tip. It's up to you. Solution number 1. Okay, I'm going to go liberally. Hang on. It's liberal, but I want to not color my skin too much. Oh, this is so thin right here. It's just gonna have to deal. Okay. I'm gonna wait a minute and then I'm gonna wipe it off. I have a towel, so I'm just going to wipe it with my towel. Okay, so there's the excess. Now take a solution number 2. Using a fresh Q-tip. Oh, was I not supposed to wipe it off? Maybe I was supposed to blot. Oh well. Here we go. This is number 2. Oh, you can see that for sure. And I'm going to leave this for a minute. Ta-da! Look at that. Okay. Gonna wipe this off. Oh my gosh, yes. Typically with me, this kind of thing doesn't last 30 days or 28 days. It just lasts maybe like a week. I wash my face a lot. I'm using a lot of products and I feel like it just kind of washes away the tint. And but it's so nice to have this done, to just, it's cheap, it's quick, you don't have to make an appointment, and I could even get it a little darker. It says you can repeat the process if you want to. So I'm gonna do the other eye and then come back and do the rest of my makeup, okay? I wanted to hop on here and show you the difference. I clearly took off too much activator when I did this side. So I did the same process. I just dabbed it instead of wiped it, and this is the difference. So, hi, this will be substantially more pigmented, which is good, and then I can catch up on this side. So, okay, so I am back with both my eyebrows done, and I will link for you below the website for you to check out their products. You can order from the website or you can find them in Rite Aid. I am using my Wonder 2 Lost and Foundation. I love it. This is actually not going to be a very involved get ready with me because I got so much to do today. My house cleaner is coming, which, hi, I know, I'm very lucky to have that, but it also stresses me out because I have to pick up all our crap, because I always have, there's just so much laundry, paperwork, bills, I mean, there's dishes, and I want to make the nicest workspace for her possible, you know? I gotta clean off my surfaces so she can scrub everything. And then I need to get a mother-in-law birthday gift. I guess that should have come out as a birthday gift for my mother-in-law. So I need to do that. We are counting down the days to Emma's surgery. She is going in first week of October. We are excited and scared. Dalton. Yeah. Whew. So I should do something more involved in explaining the exact surgery, but basically what it is excision. If you don't know what excision is in terms of endometriosis, most things are done with ablation, and that just kind of like burns off the top of the tissue and it doesn't get it at the root and it can regrow. So if you find a skilled surgeon that is a specialist in excision, and if you need more information on how to find that, I can comment and I will definitely help you with that. Yeah, they remove it entirely. So we are looking forward to, the results are like 80% cure. So it's gonna be a complete change of her quality of life, we're hoping. Yeah, so that is that. I said I was going fast here and everything on my table is still Wonder 2 from my video the other day, so pardon me if that's boring, but I did just put my Doll 10 concealer on. That stuff has this Hydrolux, so it's supposed to be like almost an eye cream and a concealer, and I love it. I do love the Wonder 2 new concealer as well, just to let you know. The Doll 10 one though, it does have a lot of hydration and it really does kind of help smooth the under eye area, and yeah, so it just looks better. I'm actually going to use my Essence Brighten Up Bargain of the Week powder, and I'm just going to warm everything. It's kind of like blush, it's kind of like color corrector, it's like the world's most pale bronzer if you wanted to do it for that. I just want to sort of make everything peachy. You guys, I'm going to use the Emily Wants palette from Makeup Revolution, and just to let you know, I can't find this anywhere. I can't find it on the Ulta website, the Makeup Revolution website, so they must be sold out. So I guess, I don't know if they'll bring it back. I don't know. So I kind of don't want to get too excited about it and then brag in front of you and be like, look at me, I have this. So, yeah, because I was going to do a dedicated video with it, but now I'm like, you can't find it. So I don't know. Obviously it's helpful if you've bought it and you want some ideas. I get that. I can do that for you. But I'm sort of like, I don't want to be like, yeah, this is so awesome, go buy it, and then it's not available. So right now I'm just putting Hobby everywhere. I've used quite a bit of the purples from this and it's been a lot of fun. So I think I'm gonna dip into some more purple here. I'm gonna use Pizzazz. Kind of just made it pink. Now I'm gonna go in with Cheer, which looks practically red. And I'm gonna just pop it in this corner to give a pop. Just like that. Just like that. Bam. I'm gonna go into Cupcake. Cupcake just is kind of this frosty pink. I mean, it's not a light pink, it's more of a medium pink. And it kind of just blends everything. I'm gonna go in Heartbeat, and I'm actually gonna put this underneath. Oops, sorry. And then I'm gonna go Pi-Fi, and I'm and now for lots of blending. And also now for, I need the cream is this light shade, and I'm gonna put that right here. It needs, I need that so much. Oh gosh, I need to pluck my eyebrows. That will be a different day. I'm gonna pop on my Mineral Fusion blush. And I'm going to take my selfie powder one more time and just kind of clean up, make sure I don't have any fallout. I'm going to take the highlighter from the Needs palette of the Emily Edit. Gratitude. And I'm going to put that here. Going to use my Essence. So I'm going to just fill in my brows more than what they are using the Benefit, just the Contour Pro, and I only am going to need a little bit of definition. I mean, how great is that? I've got this Lancome eyeliner. It's Dramatic Liquid Pencil, and I'm just going to put that in my waterline. I know I hardly ever do something like that, but this way it just kind of pops, right? Let's do lips. What am I going to do for my lips? I don't know if I've ever used this for you guys, but it's the Bad Habit Liquid Lip. This is the shade Mind Games, and I'm telling you, this is from the Shop Hush website. They are just like, it's a combination of Marc Jacobs and Huda Beauty, I think, kind of duped in this. And it's actually really good. It's like $6, but the packaging and the lettering just kind of cracks me up. I think you can get them in a pack of 6 for $24. You can get all the colors. I'm telling you, it's really good. So there I am with my eyebrows. I am pretty much ready. My hair is just kind of something special today. I'm not sure what's going on. Anyway, all right, so I feel like there's some things I might have to touch up. I definitely need to pluck my eyebrows. So there you go. I will list all the makeup I used. If you have any questions, let me know. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.